Parrots, colors, intelligence, and companionship. Today we will talk about a bird that is not only beautiful and colorful, but also extremely intelligent. Yes, we are talking about parrots. There are more than 390 species of parrots in the world, and their beauty, variety of colors, and deep relationship with humans make them truly special. The scientific name of parrots is Psittaciformes. These birds are mostly found in tropical and subtropical regions. Their special features are curved beaks, bright feathers, and the ability to mimic human voices. In India, parrots are also connected with mythology. It is believed that Lord Kamadeva's vehicle is a parrot. In folk tales, stories, and poems, parrots have been mentioned many times. Major varieties of parrots. 1. Rose-ringed parakeet. The most common parrot in India. It has a green body with a black and pink ring around its neck. It is an expert in imitating human voices in small sentences. They are found in villages as well as cities. Their lifespan is around 20-30 years. In Indian films and stories, this parrot is shown frequently too. African gray parrot, considered the most intelligent parrot species. Its body is gray and its tail is red. These parrots can learn hundreds of words and sentences. Research shows that they can be as intelligent as a 5-year-old child. They are also kept as pets to reduce loneliness and for mental health support. 3. Macaw parrots. These are the largest and most colorful parrots with a beautiful mix of blue, yellow, red, and green feathers. They are native to South America and can live for 50-70 years. Macaws are noisy, social, and fun-loving. In zoos and bird shows, macaws are always the main attraction. Cockatoos. They are recognized by the beautiful crest of feathers on their head. Found in white, pink, and yellow shades, cockatoos are emotional and form deep bonds with their owners. They constantly seek love and attention. Lovebirds. Small and very adorable parrots. They are called lovebirds because of their strong bonding with their partners. They are native to Africa and are colorful, playful, and often kept in pairs. Conures. Medium-sized, colorful parrots that are extremely playful, curious, and mischievous. They are considered excellent human companions. Amazon parrots. These parrots are native to South America. They are mostly green with red or yellow patches on their heads. They are talented singers and speakers and love to live in groups. Budgerigar budgie, one of the most popular pet parrots in the world. Small in size, available in blue, yellow, green, and white colors. Easy to keep as pets, especially for children. Dine. Eclectus parrots. Males and females are very different in colors. Males are green, while females are bright red and blue. This is an excellent example of sexual dimorphism in birds. Kia parrots. Native to New Zealand, they can survive even in cold regions. Known for their intelligence and curiosity, they often mimic human actions and are very interactive. Uses of parrots in human life. Parrots are not just beautiful birds, but also have a significant role in human life. Pets companions. The most popular pet birds worldwide. They mimic human voices and feel like true companions. Entertainment. Parrots sing, talk, and perform tricks, entertaining both children and adults. Mental health. Parrots help in reducing loneliness and stress. Studies prove that people with pet parrots are happier. Environmental role. In forests, they spread seeds and help grow new plants. They also contribute to pollination. Cultural and religious importance. In India, parrots are considered the vehicle of Kamadeva. They appear in folklore, poetry, and traditional art. Research and education. Parrots are examples of intelligence and language skills. Scientists study their brains to understand human communication better. Cultural importance of parrots. In Indian culture, parrots are symbols of love and beauty. Mythology describes parrots as Lord Kamadeva's vehicle. Ancient children's tales like Totemina stories are still popular. In Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh's folk art, parrots are beautifully painted in traditional artwork. Parrots are truly one of the most fascinating creations of nature. They are not just birds. They are companions, entertainers, and a part of our traditions. They teach us that life is more beautiful when it is full of colors, diversity, and intelligence.